You are watching Kiddos Teaching Time. Hello kiddos. Today we will learn about action. So let's start. Drinking. The girl is drinking water. Eating. The girl is eating her breakfast. Sleeping. The boy is sleeping on the bed. Brushing. Kids are brushing their teeth. Reading. The boy is reading a storybook. Painting. The girl is painting a beautiful picture. Cutting. The boy is cutting a piece of paper. Cleaning. Kids are cleaning their room. Cooking. Mother and kids are cooking delicious food. Licking. The boy is licking an ice cream. Blowing. The boy is blowing a balloon. Clapping. The girl is clapping. Catching. The girl is catching a ball. Climbing. Kids are climbing. Dancing. Kids are dancing. Shouting. The girl is shouting on the mic. Jumping. Kids are jumping. Swimming. Kids are swimming. Cycling. Kids are cycling. Running. Kids are running. Skipping. The girl is skipping. Swimming. The boy is swimming. Fighting. Kids are fighting. Yawning. The girl is yawning. Crying. The boy is crying. Listening. The girl is listening. Laughing. Kids are laughing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.